If you want to unlock the handstand push-up, you need to do this exercise that I will show you, and in my opinion this is even better exercise than doing the traditional handstand push-ups against the wall. Why? Because you will gain strength and you will learn how to balance the handstand push-up itself without even doing it. The exercise is handstand press. But wait, before you leave, give me a chance to show you why I think this is better exercise. So as I said, with the handstand press you will gain strength and you will learn how to balance the handstand push-up instead of just building raw strength with the handstand push-ups against the wall, where you have no idea how to balance the handstand push-up, how to lean forward. So the first step, if you can't do the handstand press yet, is this handstand press pump. As this becomes too easy for you, you will simply do the harder variation of it, then the full variation where you straighten up your legs. Then you will simply lock out your arms and you have just unlocked the handstand press. Congratulations! What's good about this exercise is that you can do it for reps, which is like
oh god, it's so good.
And you will gain a lot of strength in your front delts, which is needed for the handstand push-up. Just remember to have 90 degrees in your elbows, otherwise you will learn the handstand press after 700 days like geek climber. When I saw the video, everything was wrong, so keep your elbows in 90 degrees. That's the easiest way how to do the press. Once you unlock the tuck press on the ground, you can take it to the P-bars, and now your goal is to do it 5 times in a row. Why 5 times? Well, in my opinion, if you can do it 5 times in a row, you will be most likely to do it with the straight legs for 1 rep. And if you can do the straight legs variation, you can basically do the handstand push-up. So keep grinding and build strength for those 5 reps. And now I will show you the alternative way how to get to the straight legs variation. The first step are these pumps. This step is more like mental preparation for the press with the straight legs, because you just have to keep your legs straight and not bend them as you used to. In second step, you will take this movement and press into the bent arm straddle handstand. In the next step, you will do just basically what you did in the previous one, but you will lock out your arms in a straddle handstand. So guys, we are almost there. Now we'll do negative with straight legs and it will look like this. The last step is the straight legs bent arm press. This variation of press has a lot in common with the handstand push-up. You got the same lean, you got the same angle in your elbows. That's why I think this is the best way how to unlock the handstand push-up, just by practicing the handstand press. If you can't still unlock the handstand press, check out this video where I will show you mistakes that you probably do. Oh my god guys, it's raining a lot. I'm going home because I don't wanna be all wet. See you guys in the next video.